Logical connectors. Third quarter lesson 5. Logical connectors. Logical connectors are used to join or connect two ideas that have a particular relationship. These relationships can be sequential, time, reason and purpose, adversative, opposition and or unexpected result, condition, summation, focus. Connectors that show, chronological and logical. And summation. Number 1, chronological and logical. Letter A, numerical, in the first place, first, second, initially, secondly. Examples. First, I would like to thank everyone who has contributed to this success. Letter B, beginning, chronological, at first, chronological and logical, to start with, to begin with, for a start. First of all, initially. Examples. First of all, I want you to review of what we had learned yesterday. Letter C, continuation, chronological, previously, after this, afterwards, eventually, subsequently, before this, logical, at last, last but not the least, as a final point, to conclude, with. Example, eventually, she got a job and moved to London. Number 2, summation. In conclusion, to sum up, to summarize, on the whole, in all, in summary, in sum, altogether, overall. Example, to summarize, in the most cases the schools were achieving the standards sets. Logical connectors. Third quarter lesson 5.